Find the intercepts of the plane 2x minus 3y plus 4z is equal to 24 on the coordinate axis. Now, equation of a plane which cuts off intercepts A, B and C on x-axis, y-axis and z-axis respectively is given by, we have already done this topic, okay. So, it is given by x upon A plus y upon B plus z upon C is equal to 1. We have already derived this formula. Now, given equation is, it is 2x minus 3y plus 4z is equal to 24. Let this be equation 1. Now, dividing both sides by 24, we are getting 2x upon 24 minus 3y upon 24 plus 4z upon 24 is equal to 24 upon 24. Now, this gives us x upon 12 minus y upon 8 plus z upon 6 is equal to 1. Now, let this be 2. Comparing equation 2 and equation 1, we get A is equal to 12, B is equal to minus 8 and C is equal to 6. Hence, intercepts on the coordinate axis are 12 minus 8 and 6. 12 minus 8, 6. This is the answer.